Yamaha Fino Mio Premium. And the other one right there, the customized design. So ano ang pipiliin mo? Sigurado ka ba? Pink na pink. Gusto mo doon?
Ikaw bahala!
Ikaw daw ang bahala. Gusto mo yung pink? Okay, let's go there. Okay. So David chooses the customized Mio Fino fashion, the pink with Swarovski crystals. Okay. So ngayon, kagaya na kita mo kanina kay Sir Al, so meron kaming item dito. I'm gonna give you this keychain. It's also a pink keychain, courtesy of Yamaha. If you say challenge, you go home with that keychain. If you say Fino, we open the compartment.
Challenge.
Is it a Fino or a challenge?
Fino!
Sigurado ka ba? Ayaw mo niyan. Pink din naman yan eh. Okay, Fino daw. I'm gonna add up another baller ID, courtesy of Yamaha. A baller ID and a Yamaha keychain. If you say Fino, we open the compartment. If you say challenge, you go home with those two items. Is it a Fino or a challenge? Fino! O sige, Fino pa daw. Ano ba gusto nyo? Fino challenge?
Fino!
O sige, Fino daw. Alright. Dagdagan natin yan. Dahil marami kang kasama, we add up a Yamaha shirt and the baller ID and also the Fino keychain. Is it a Fino or a challenge? Fino pa din. Alright, David says Fino. Yung mga kasama dyan, ano ba? Fino or challenge?
Challenge!
O Fino daw. Sigurado ka ba? But we don't know what's inside there. It's a surprise item, courtesy of Yamaha. Okay, so if it's a Fino, sigurado na last chance. Is it a Fino or a challenge? Fino. O sige, Fino daw, sure na. Okay, so we open the compartment and let's see what's inside. Alright. You have to take it out. Alright, ready ka na ba? Last chance na to. Yamaha Fino or challenge? Fino pa rin. Sige, Fino pa rin daw. Anyway, sige na, huhugutin mo na yan. Alright, ready, get set, and go! It's a Yamaha bag! Alright! Congratulations, David! You win a Yamaha bag, courtesy of Yamaha Motor Philippines Incorporated. That's your red Yamaha bag, and let's take a picture. Okay, and don't forget to register there at the back. So there you have it.